When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And a bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just
Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm back with another video. Currently this is filmed on Monday, Memorial Day, but this is gonna go up for Try It Tuesday, I believe. I'm gonna try some new things. We're gonna see what we can land, what we don't land, but most likely we're gonna try new things and we're gonna land new things. So that's what we're doing today. Go follow my Instagram right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Go follow that. Go check that out, you know. And then most importantly, go check out this new video. This new video is fire. Go like that, you know. Can't do it because I'm not at an account. You get the point though. Oh, I just switched accounts. Oh my god. It's all going down now. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna go on my Apple Music. I'm gonna hit shuffle. And I can't change the song. We're just gonna leave it. Alright, I could do with this. I can do with this. Good song. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try a new trick. Not new, but new to me. Ooh. I hate how my pants don't stay up. The stupid string fell out. Almost. Almost. Oh. Whew. Ouch. That was a weird fall. Alright, start off by stretching our legs. Maybe that will help. Go. Oh, I think I could do it. This case close. Ah. I think I can get it. Ah. I almost had it. Almost. Pedals grip so good. My foot was stuck inside the pedal. Look, you're not going anywhere. Go get these pedals. What are you doing? Originate Red Ox pedals. Greatest pedals ever. Look at this. Look, I'm locked in. I'm not going. I'm not going. Come on, music. Oh yeah. Should we add something? Add something? No! You know, I'm getting real sick and tired of trespassers. There's a bathroom over there. Use it over there. Don't use the street. What are you doing? Oh my God. I'm trying to get stuff all on my tires. Alright, my leg hurts a lot. So, I'm gonna try another trick. That doesn't seem that hard. Oh, that was different. That was different. Oh, that was easy. New learn. Oh, foot slipped. I don't know what that was. I got that. New learn.